All she's remembered for is heading the list of female musicians since she sang Tata Wabana, followed by Mariam Ndagire and the timeless Nabikowa album. She broadened her fan base to East Africa and beyond when she got a seat at the Tusker Project Fame judges table, where musicians from all over East Africa competed for the top slot. Juliana has more than 30 hit songs, hit after hit, Banangi. These songs have topped the charts through the years and have won multiple awards in Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Africa, and beyond. The Toro Princess has collaborated with Bobby Wine, Sweet Kid, Clear Cut, Radio and Weasel, GNL Zamba, Vampino, Kenya's Kidum, Tanzania's Bushoke, to churn out hits that have forever stayed in Ugandans' minds. When she represented Uganda at the Coke Studio Africa, where she collaborated with Nigeria's Mr. Flavor, their duet was viewed by over thousands of people across Africa. This songbird is the true definition of talent coupled with passion, and we at Mfapak feel that this phenomenal vocalist deserves a certificate in music. Guest of honor, this is Juliana Kanyomozi.
We know. Big round of applause for Juliana as she comes.
Thank you so much. That name we got in yo.
Nera ni moyogero wanga imba nsebenga
Nimuseri nyayo Yesu Mukama Otoni zenandi badenta Nabino Yonamukabe binuma Hawa bitwale Abanabe bange bazijeko lukombolo. Thank you. This is so special to me, especially because it's coming from a woman that I have loved and admired for so many years. Thank you so much. It's been an amazing journey. I was actually listening to her reading my entire thing and I'm like, is this me? So I got all this, I achieved all this. It's amazing how much time can fly. Over so many years, it feels like it all happened in a blink of an eye, you know? But thank you so much. Most importantly, congratulations to you guys. Congratulations. You're joining the creative world, so the only thing I can tell you is your uniqueness will be your power. Don't be afraid of your uniqueness. Your uniqueness is your strength. Number two, be professional. Whatever you do, be professional. Keep your end of the bargain. Whatever you agree to do for someone, do it and do it well. Some doors will get shut in your face. But don't take that as a disappointment, but rather use it as motivation to prove that person wrong. Whoever shut that door. Okay? I wish you nothing but the very best. And thank you again, Omembeja.